Hi, this is BeReal channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use BeReal app. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. BeReal, a photo sharing application minus the glitz and glam, has gained quite a lot of attention, mainly among young adults and Gen Z. In contrast to traditional social media, this app gives user an unfiltered look into each other's life. Every day you post a photo of what you are doing in real time. So, on my previous video, I've shown you how to create BeReal account. But now, what if you want to use it? How to use this app? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our BeReal. As you can see in here, I have created my account. Here's my account. Here's the home page. You can see. When you first create a BeReal account, when you open the home page, BeReal will ask you to post your first BeReal in here on your home. And also this one is the search section. You can search for your friend. You can invite your friend to use BeReal, or you can just follow popular accounts in here. And here's for the camera. Here's the chat section. Here's your profile. You can set up your profile in here. You can add your profile picture. You can add your picture. Your profile picture will be visible to everyone, and it will make it easier for your friend to add you. You can choose from your library. For the library, you can just take a picture from your camera. And here, you can just choose it. I will choose from my photo library. For the example, I will choose this picture. This one. You can tap on save. Here's your profile picture. Here's your display name, and also here's your username. You can enter your bio and location. You can save it. We just skip this step. You can share your profile, and if you tap on the camera icon in here, don't forget to allow the. Now you can create your first BeReal. There's no filter in this account. You can only use the original camera. You can zoom in, zoom out. Here's for the flash. For the example, I will just try to take a picture of this thing. So BeReal will take two-side picture your on your BeReal like this. You can switch up. If you don't like the picture, you can just retake. Be like this. Okay. Now you can just send it. You can manage you want to send it to my friends only, everyone, or my friend and their friends. You can send it. You can also take a music in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to use BeReal on your phone. It's very simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.